You can increase your Zoom video quality without buying a new camera. Hi, I'm Wonderful Lida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. So the secret to improving your video quality on Zoom is lighting. Yes, it's as simple as lighting. So right now I have a light in front of me. It's to the side and above and positioned onto me so I'm nicely lit. Look what happens when I move that light away. All of a sudden the video quality decreases on Zoom. I'm a lot more pixelated and it doesn't look as good. It looks like I have a bad camera. As soon as I move that light back on, my camera quality has improved. So the main thing to do when you want to improve your Zoom video quality is to improve your lighting. Your light source should be positioned in front of you. It can be a professional light if you want to use that, or it could be a lamp. Move away my professional light, and I'm going to turn on a lamp. See, just by adding that lamp and adding that light source in front of me, I've increased the video quality. So with your light source, you want to make sure that your light source isn't behind you. So you can see when it's behind me, it adds this gradient thing and it's still very blurry in the video. Instead, you want it to be in front of you and pointing on you. You want to also avoid your light coming from underneath. See, this gives like a creepy kind of, unless it's like Halloween and you want to look like a ghost, but it gives a really creepy horror movie look to it. And you want to also avoid having that light above you. Do you see when I have that light above me, either it's hitting the screen, when the light hits the screen, it creates this little flare, or it gives me this weird shadow where my eyes get dark, and then my nose and forehead are the brightest parts of the video, and that is not flattering for anybody. So all you need to do is get a light, any light that you can afford, and put the light in front of you. Make sure that it's facing you from the side, and your video quality in Zoom will instantly improve. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!